Hi friends, this is the new topic that is elements, compounds and mixtures. Okay, in this topic we will discuss about elements, compounds and mixtures, their properties. Okay, before that we have to discuss about what are the different states of matter. Okay, तर पहा मित्रांनो सुरुवातीला आपल्याला मॅटर म्हणजे काय? तर हे मॅटर म्हणजे काय याबद्दल आपल्याला समजून घ्यायचे आणि त्यानंतर आपण पाहूयात की हे जे एलिमेंट, कंपाउंड आणि मिक्सचर्स यांच्याबद्दल आपण माहिती घेऊयात. ठीक आहे. सो लेट अस डिस्कस अबाउट मॅटर. व्हॉट इज मीन बाय मॅटर? सो वी सी different objects. Okay, some objects are in solid form, some objects are in liquid form. Okay, and some are the gaseous. Okay, so these are the basically three states of matter. Okay, so what is meant by matter? So matter is that from which object is made. Okay, कोणताही ऑब्जेक्ट असेल ज्यापासून बनतो, ज्या मटेरियल पासून बनतो, आपण त्याला काय म्हणतो? मॅटर. ओके, मॅटर इज एनिथिंग दॅट ऑक्युपाईज स्पेस. ओके, तर हे जे मॅटर असतं ते एनिथिंग काही असू शकतं जे काय करतं, स्पेस ऑक्युपाय करतं. आपण पाहू शकतो की आपल्या क्लासरूम मध्ये बेंचेस असतात. ओके, घरामध्ये डिफरंट इक्विपमेंट्स असतात. स्कूलमध्ये वेगवेगळ्या ऑब्जेक्ट्स असतात. ठीक आहे, तर ते काय करतात? दे ऑक्युपाईज स्पेस. ओके, अँड दे आर मेड अप ऑफ मॅटर. ओके, सो let us see matter is anything. Let us see matter. Matter is anything. Matter is anything that that occupies occupies space. Okay, that occupies space. That is called as matter. So we can say that an object is made of a certain substance. We can say that we can say that आपण काय म्हणू शकतो? We can say that object an object is made of an object an object is made of a substance made of a substance. तर या ठिकाणी पहा, कोणताही ऑब्जेक्ट असेल आपल्या घरामध्ये भरपूर युटेन्सिल्स असतात. ठीक आहे, युटेन्सिल्स, टीव्ही, फॅन, टेबल, चेअर. ओके, notebooks, books, pen, pencil, all these things are or all these objects are made up of substance. Okay, and that substance is called as matter. Okay, this term matter is also used as a synonym of substance. Okay, so the substance the substance the substance from which the substance from which an object is made from which an object is made is called as is called as matter. Okay, तर सबस्टन्सला पण आपण काय म्हणू शकतो? कारण सबस्टन्स हे सिनॉनिमच असेल मॅटर साठी. ठीक आहे, मॅटर. आपण पाहू शकतो मित्रांनो की आपण जे काही डेली लाईफ मध्ये जे काही ऑब्जेक्ट यूज करतो, ठीक आहे, ते आयदर सॉलिड असू शकतात किंवा लिक्विड किंवा गॅसियस फॉर्म मध्ये असतील. परंतु त्या सगळ्यांमध्ये काय असेल? डिफरंट मॅटर. ओके, मॅटर और सबस्टन्स ज्याच्यापासून ते काय बनलेले असतात? ते ऑब्जेक्ट्स बनलेले असतात. ठीक आहे, फ्रॉम विच द ऑब्जेक्ट्स are made. Okay, that substance is called as matter. Okay, so So let us see. We can also define matter as the material, the material from which, from which, from which an an object is made. Object is made from which an object is made is called as is called as matter. Is called as matter. त्याला आपण काय म्हणतो मॅटर. ओके. आणि आपल्या सर्वांना माहित आहे द क्वांटिटी ऑफ मॅटर contained in a body or in an object that is called as mass. Okay. The quantity of matter. The quantity of matter ला आपण काय म्हणतो mass. Okay. Remember this thing. The quantity of matter, the quantity of matter, the quantity of matter contained, the quantity of matter contained in an object, in an object, in an object is called as mass. Okay, and this mass is expressed by letter m. Okay, so now we understand that what is mean by matter exactly. Okay, okay. So now we have to discuss about how many different states of matter are there. Name them. Let's recall. Okay. So let us see. First of all, write down these things. We have to understand matter is anything that occupies space. Okay. That occupies space. For example, if you take a, a cup of milk, okay, then that milk occupies the space. Okay. Then if you take a glass of water, okay, that water will occupy the space in between the glass. Okay. Then any object that is solid object like chair, table, books, notebooks that occupies the space in our houses. Okay. Uh, that's why the matter is anything that occupies the space. Okay. Suppose uh, I suppose take the example of books. Okay, 10 books, and keep that books in your uh, shelf. Okay, then that books will occupy the space of that shelf or where you kept that book. Okay, that books will occupy the space. Okay, so like that, any matter is anything that occupies the space. Okay, so you should understand the definition. The material from which an object is made. ओके. ऑब्जेक्ट ज्यापासून बनतो, ज्या मटेरियल पासून बनतो त्याला आपण काय म्हणतो मॅटर. आता पहा देर आर डिफरंट materials. Okay, different materials from which objects are made. Okay, some objects are of made from metals, some objects are made from non-metals, some objects are made from metalloids, some objects are mixtures, some objects are compounds, some objects are pure elements. Okay, so these are different types of matters. Okay, and depending on that, their properties are different. Okay, तर पहा वेगवेगळ्या मटेरियल पासून जे बनलेले असतं ऑब्जेक्ट, वेगवेगळ्या मॅटर पासून जे ऑब्जेक्ट बनलेले असतात त्यामुळे त्यांना वेगवेगळ्या प्रॉपर्टीज असतात. ओके. फॉर एक्झाम्पल आपण पाहू शकता मेटल्स आणि नॉन मेटल्स. ओके. फॉर एक्झाम्पल युटेन्सिल्स जे असतात ते आपण ज्या घरामध्ये युटेन्सिल्स वापरतो, ओके, किचनमध्ये, तर त्यामध्ये युटेन्सिल्स आर मेड अप ऑफ metals. Okay, and chair, wooden table are made from chair, wood. Okay, so this wood is non-metal. Okay, and these utensils are made up of metals. So there are difference between their mm, properties. Okay, their color is different, their density is different, their melting point, boiling point, all different characteristics, different properties are there. Okay, for different materials or different matter. Okay, and depending on the properties of matter, we use the matter in different applications. Okay, for example, if we are um, making electric wires, then at that place there should require specific properties, that is conduction of electricity. Okay, should have that that material should have that property, that is conduction of electricity. Okay, uh, in case of insulation material, okay, there should not that property, that is conduction of electricity, but insulators are bad conductors of electricity. Okay, so at that time that property is required. So depending upon the properties required, at what place what properties are required, that is the important factor. Okay, for choosing different materials for different applications, different matters for different applications. Okay, so the quantity of matter contained in an object is called as mass. Okay, that so you should remember. Okay, so write down these things. Then we will discuss about other things. Now let us see how the matter is classified. Okay, how the matter is classified. Let us see. This matter is classified in different ways. Okay, so let us see what is the classification of the matter. This matter is classified as in two ways. This matter is classified in two ways. That is, first is physical classification. First is physical physical classification. Physical classification. Okay, physical classification. And second one is chemical classification. Chemical Second one is chemical classification. Second one is chemical classification. Okay. So in physical classification, matter is classified as solids, liquids, and gases. Okay. Solids in physical classification, matter is classified as first one is solids. Solids त्यांना आपण काय म्हणतो स्थायू. ओके. जे सेकंड असेल दॅट इज लिक्विड्स. लिक्विड्स म्हणजे काय? द्रव. द्रव्य वेगळं आणि द्रव वेगळं. ठीक आहे. द्रव्य म्हणजे काय? मॅटर. ओके. मॅटर इज कॉल्ड एज द्रव्य. बट द्रव means liquid. Okay. Liquid. And third one is gases. Okay. So like that physical classification of matter, gaseous or gases. Okay. So like that there is a classification of matter according to physical criteria, physical classification. B is chemical classification. Okay. Then further these solids may be, some solids are crystalline and some solids are amorphous. Okay. Crystalline. Crystalline and amorphous. Crystalline, crystalline solids. Some solids are crystalline solids and some solids are amorphous. Okay, some solids are amorphous. Okay, amorphous solids. So like that, there is a physical classification of matter, and in chemical classification, this matter is classified in two types, that is mixtures and pure substances. Okay, so in classification chemical classification there are two types. Okay, first one is first one is pure pure substances, pure substances, and second one is mixtures. Okay, second one is mixtures. मिक्सर्स म्हणजे काय? मिश्रण. तर म्हणजे मिक्सर, मिश्रण. Okay. So these pure substances then again classified into two types, that is elements and compounds. Okay. Elements, pure substances, either elements or compounds. Okay. Elements, elements, elements म्हणजे काय? मूलद्रव्य. ठीक आहे. Elements. We know that. We will discuss about these elements in more detail in this topic. Okay. How many elements are there? Okay. What are the natural elements? All these things we will discuss in detail about elements in this topic. And second is compounds. Compounds म्हणजे काय? संयुग. त्याला आपण मराठीमध्ये काय म्हणतो? संयुग. Okay. Compound. Compounds. Then elements also may be of three types. Okay, metals, non-metals, and metalloids or semi-metals. तर याच्यामध्ये काय असेल? मेटल्स. मेटल्स म्हणजे काय? धातू. ठीक आहे. मेटल्सला आपण काय म्हणतो? धातू. ठीक आहे. मेटल्स. सेकंड वन इज नॉन मेटल्स म्हणजे अधातू. नॉन मेटल्स. non-metals, and third, that is metalloids. Metalloids किंवा semi metals. Okay. And compounds are either organic compounds or inorganic. Organic organic compounds, organic compounds, or the inorganic inorganic compounds. Okay. So like that, this is a classification. And the mixtures. Okay, there is no space, but I'm drawing here. Mixtures are okay. Mixtures mixtures are either homogeneous or heterogeneous mixtures. Okay, homogeneous म्हणजे एकजीव. Okay, एकजीव आणि heterogeneous mixture असे दोन प्रकारचे मिक्सचर असतात. That is first is homogeneous. Homogeneous. Homogeneous mixtures. And second one is heterogeneous. Heterogeneous. Heterogeneous mixtures. Okay, like that. So this is the detailed classification of the matter. Okay, detailed classification of the matter. So our focus or concentration is on elements, compounds, and mixtures. Okay, here elements, compounds, and mixtures. That is, we have to focus in more detail in this topic on chemical classification of matter. Okay, chemical classification of matter. That is on elements, compounds, and mixtures. Okay, our topic name is element, compounds, and mixtures. Okay, so here understand there are matter two classification criteria: physical classification and chemical classification. In physical classification, matter is solids, maybe solids, liquids, or gaseous. There are two states of matter also. Other two states of matter, that is plasma and Bose-Einstein condensate. Okay, so uh, but basically there are three states of matter. In solids there are crystalline solids or amorphous solids. But in chemical classification, pure substances may be either elements or compounds. Okay, in elements, metals, non-metals, metalloids. Okay, in compounds, organic, inorganic compounds, mixtures may be of two types. That is homogeneous and heterogeneous mixtures. Okay, homogeneous and heterogeneous. So like that, this is the detailed classification. Hope you understand all these things. Write down this, then we will discuss about other things. Now let us see and let's recall. We have to understand some questions. Okay, and we have to answer it. Okay, let us see. Now see, let's recall, let's recall, let's recall. First question is how many different states of matter? Question first, how many, how many different, how many different states of matter? How many different states of matter, states of matter, how many different states of matter are there? Name them. Are there? Name them. Okay. So let us see, friends. We know that basically, generally, there are three states of matter. I have told that other two states of matter also, that is plasma and Bose-Einstein condensate. Okay, this plasma state of matter occurs at very high temperature. Okay, when we heat a matter to a very high temperature, then the state of matter that is plasma. Okay, and when certain matter is cooled to a very low temperature, at that time the state of matter occurred that is Bose-Einstein condensate. Okay, but here we have to understand only three. You should know about three states of matter here. Okay, so generally there are three states of matter. Okay, generally there are there are three states of matter. Okay, three states of matters. States of matter म्हणजे काय? अवस्था. ओके, पदार्थाच्या अवस्था. मॅटर म्हणजे काय? पदार्थ. ठीक आहे, सबस्टन्स. ओके, that is matter. And there are three, generally there are three states of matter. First one is solids. Solid. Solid म्हणजे काय? स्थायू. पण पाहिलेलं आहे. सेकंड वन इज लिक्विड म्हणजे द्रव अवस्था. आणि थर्ड दॅट इज गॅसियस स्टेट. Gaseous state. So these are the three states of matter. Okay. So this is the answer of this question. Next question, what brings about a change of state of matter? Okay. So question 2 is what what brings what brings about a change of state of matter? What brings about a what brings about a change of change of what brings about a change of state of matter? Change of state of matter. Change of state of matter. So we know that, friends, by addition of heat is nothing but energy. We know that. Okay. Because of addition of heat energy into an substance, okay, uh, this heat energy breaks the bonds between the molecules, okay, responsible to break the bond because uh, by addition of heat molecules get kinetic energy, okay, and because of this kinetic energy the molecules try to go away from each other, okay, and due to that their intermolecular force of attraction decreases, okay, intermolecular force of attraction decreases, and the gap between the molecules increases, okay, the gap between the molecules increases. As we know that uh, in case of solids, two molecules are very close to each other, but in case of liquids, two molecules are separated from. from each other by certain distance, and in case of gaseous, the two molecules are very far away from each other, means the gap between them is more. Okay, and that's why uh, because of the addition of heat energy, the change of state of matter is responsible. Okay, means by addition of heat energy. So here by by addition by addition by addition of heat energy by addition of energy heat energy Q in matter a change of state of matter occurs. A change of state change of state change of state of matter occurs. Change of state of matter occurs. Okay, friends. Okay. So this is the reason for, and by addition of heat, by by addition of heat, आपण heat addition केल्यामुळे काय होते? By addition of heat energy, either either temperature increases, either temperature either टेम्परेचर इन्क्रीजेस. टेम्परेचर म्हणजे काय? तापमान. एक तर तापमान वाढणार आहे, किंवा काय होईल? आयदर टेम्परेचर इन्क्रीजेस और फेज चेंज फेज चेंज फेज चेंज विल ऑकर. किंवा काय होईल त्या ठिकाणी? फेज चेंज होईल. फेज म्हणजे काय? अवस्था. ठीक आहे, फेज. तर सॉलिड, जसं सॉलिडचं रूपांतर कशामध्ये होईल? सॉलिड गेट्स कन्वर्टेड इंटू लिक्विड, और लिक्विड गेट्स कन्वर्टेड इंटू गॅसेस. Okay, so this phase change will occur due to addition of heat energy, and due to addition of heat, either temperature increases or phase change will occur. Okay, so this is about the uh, change of state of matter. Okay, so write down these questions and their answers, then we will discuss other questions. So friends, in this lecture we have discussed about matter. Okay, definition of matter, classification of matter, all these things. And in the last, we have discussed two questions, okay, about matter. Okay, so hope you understand all these things in very well manner. So now we stop here. In next lecture, we will discuss about other things related to matter. Okay, so now we stop here. Thank you.